Go with the British Airways A380s will be the Rolls-Royce powered aircraft, and we've ordered 12 of them. They start pitching up next year. So the power coming on these, the large GP7000s, and a dry bar to the runway. Just give you a shower. And this is a very dramatic display. Huge, very beautiful aircraft. Reverse to come back. A380 now approaching its 5th year of commercial service. Almost 80 A380s are in operation. The aircraft has a range of up to 8,500 nautical miles with a typical load of 525 passengers. So far, the A380 program has won firm orders for 253 aircraft from 19 airlines, and every day there are around 100 commercial A380 flights, and then takes a fleet to carry 1 million passengers each month. And what a majestic sight. And actually, I think you'll agree, very quiet, this huge aircraft. Indeed, pilots have flown this and the much smaller the A320. The aircraft is easy to handle as the much smaller A320. This is due to the commonality of Airbus has very successful airline. I noticed the British Airways Airbus is in the static park. That's the one we use on the London City to New York route. Who's in here for the weekend. That is also dramatic sight. This big aircraft going past so slow. Go around, I would suspect, I don't know. Or is he going to land off it? No? Well, I don't know yet.
Come on, do a touch and go. Go on, do it.
Jeffrey in the Extra 330. We have the T-50B from South Korea. We have the King Air Apache, the Red Arrows at 4 o'clock. Then the Vulcan will be towed out. And we have the Tucana, the F-18 Super Hornet. As I said earlier, we have a very surprise guest, very important guest joining us in the commentary position. The Airbus comes down to land. After the F-18, we have the Osprey and the Vulcan. Okay,
all that's going to do is that's just going to waste your battery.
I know, he's a dog.